Hello there, it's me, Jude. You probably know who I am, since I probably sent you a link to this video. Anyways, let's begin. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my Notion dashboard, like start off. Um, so Notion is basically a website slash program slash app that is used to just help you organize stuff online, I guess. It's also used for team projects, and it's just used for so many different things. Like engineers use it. I don't need to explain this. Why do I need to explain this? I don't know. Anyways, I'd recommend making a dashboard since once you start off with Notion, it'll give you a bunch of templates, but it'll just feel messy because if you're planning on using it for like just your life as a whole, a dashboard is the most important thing since this is basically a homepage to your life. Why am I talking about life as if it's like such a simple topic? But yeah, it's better than it being all messy over here on the side. Because look, it opens up. Anyways, so the first thing I'd recommend you to do is just making a new page, like deleting all the pages that are already there and making a new page, because they're not completely gone. They're all here, and these are the templates that you most likely use because they basically have everything you need from design and education to personal stuff to sales and support. So before you begin, I'd recommend doing what I did and going to browse templates. So the first thing that shows up is like these. I'd recommend searching up for dashboards like this one, because this person right here, Jacqueline, is an actual lifesaver. I took like inspiration from their dashboard because you can see it's very well organized, but I don't need all of this because I'd never fill that in. But like working on this 5 minutes a day just is amazing, honestly. So yeah, I'd say search up for dashboards and take any inspiration from those. And yeah, back to this. Okay, so I'm gonna make like a simple, really fast, cool dashboard. This is a cool icon. So dashboard, and yeah. So the first thing I do is just the infamous backslash, and I'd add a subpage. So the first thing I want is let's say I'm gonna do personal, so I'd want a weekly schedule. Okay, and I just insert a template, and it'll take more time when you don't know what you want, but now I'm just doing like famous stuff that every dashboard usually has. And you would put like the weekly schedule here, the weekly agenda, and it's that simple. It's such an amazing application and program. I'm in love with it. And you go back to the dashboard, the main thing that's over here, and wow, look at that. But since you probably are going to set it into like different portions, like personal, and I can't type, and school, and let's say something else like sports, or not sports. No, just like sports like that. Let's say you're a basketball is a very important part of your life. So basketball, because you like have a bunch of stuff that's related to basketball. I don't know. I'm just giving examples out here. So the first thing you do, if you want it to be just like on top of each other in a vertical, I still can't tell the difference between vertical and horizontal, but yeah, you just please, you could just highlight it, and I forgot how. Yeah, I think you just keep that. Yeah, go to the end and boom. See, it's this. I think this was what was most difficult for me because I didn't see anything about this, like how to just move it and make it horizontal. Yeah, and then you would put it right here. That's perfect, right? Uh, and yeah, it's like that simple. Like this is such a simple dashboard. Let's make something else. Like here, another page. I'm gonna go with something school related. Like I told you there's engineering. Let's say a course schedule. This is what I use to. I'm gonna show you mine in a bit. to list all the homework that I have to do. And look at it, it's amazing. I just can't stop talking about Notion to everybody I know. I'm in love with this. Let me see how much time I have left. Okay, I'm good. I didn't pay for Bandicam Premium, so I don't. Yeah. Anyways, you see, it's not nothing that يعني difficult. It's very self-explanatory. But يعني that's what I would say. This basics to it. يعني once you do it, it'll take longer, as I said, because you don't know what you want, but you should try to plan it out beforehand, I guess, and just see what you think you'd need best. And let me show you all mine. So this is mine. I'm very in love with it. This I took this concept art, but I forgot what game it was for. And this is another thing. I found this in a concept art section, but I'm not sure if it's concept art or not. So I have here I think I've mentioned this, my daily schedule. I'm not sure if I did. I filmed this video twice. And I have here, for example, as I talked about it before, this is the homework that I have to do, which I haven't done yet. It's very empty right now because I just started using this and it's the beginning of the new term. And for example here, I write my notes online. So I feel it's really simple to just, link your notes. If you use OneNote, you could just right click on it and on the page itself and link it here. And it just organizes everything in one. It's amazing. And one of the most amazing features it has, okay, is this, okay? I didn't put any grades in because, as I said, I just started this term. But this is a template, and basically you put in the grades you get, and it gives you an average score. It's amazing because I always worry about my grades, but if I use this, I might get an idea of what my grades would end up like during the before seeing my report card. Please ignore my class schedule, as I said before. It's not my class schedule, it's my daily schedule. I made it in Excel, but it is also very helpful. There's other stuff here like a reading list, and I as I said, I just started using this, so it's just the book I'm reading right now, but it's amazing. Notion is such a great website, and website and app and software, and it just organizes everything you need. It's everything in one. I love it, and it's super customizable, and it's free unless you share it with others. I think if you use the team version. But yeah, this is why I love Notion so much. So there's nothing really that difficult about it. It's just that it takes a while for you to just set it up. بس خلاص it will be set for months or years once you have it set. And I think I didn't talk about this yet, but Notion does have an app, and it's amazing because it also has iOS 14 widgets. So you could insert an iOS 14 widget, and it could show you a to-do list you have or a subpage that you always need to enter. And yeah, that's about it. I hope y'all show me your cool Notions because I'm really excited to see them. Yeah, have fun. Thank you for watching.